Modern Warfare 2 is one of my most favorite games that I played growing up. When I was a kid, I thought it would be so cool to play Airsoft with a thermal scope, which now brings us to this video. This video was a test run for some night games that I plan on going to very soon. So if you're interested in seeing that, hit the subscribe button.
Got him. Oh, I see you. Got him. Got him.
I don't see any players, so I decide to go on the outskirts of the field. The thermal scope works well in the shade, but not in the Florida summer sun.
He's dead.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did.